I feel like we just went back in time. Is this an old Finding Nick vlog? There's no way, bro. Ugh. I had to get used to these buckets. Not bad, not bad. What's up, guys? They watching another video. How does this feel, bro? How does it feel watching the vlog back in the E92? It's probably so weird. It's weird for me too. I can't believe I'm in my old car again. Yes, the same exact E92, guys. My same exact car that I had 10 years ago. How crazy. We still got the cage in here. We still got the crazy steering wheel that honestly got a lot of mixed opinions. A lot of people did not like it, but I thought it was kind of cool. I feel like I was one of the first ones to do it. I think we did this before even Tesla started doing it and all their like plaids and stuff like that. I did it before Elon Musk. But anyways, thank you guys for all the love and support on the recent video. It was probably the fastest growing video too, for a good reason. I got my E92 back. I knew you guys were gonna be hyped about it. It still feels so weird just sitting in this car and like looking at everything, like looking at the old airbag suspension controller. Like this is super old, bro. Airlift performance system, very old. It doesn't even have CarPlay or nothing, no backup camera. Something's wrong with that mirror. I don't know why that mirror looks all foggy and brown, but this car needs a lot of work. But I'm so excited for this freaking build series. The craziest thing is that this car started everything, bro. Like without this car, I wouldn't have the R8 right now. Like nothing, bro. This is like a huge part of my life, of my YouTube career, and it's just insane that I got it back, bro. Like I don't know how it happened, but somehow, some way, I bought my first car back. But anyways, today I'm gonna talk about some of the questions I saw in the comments, and then also Dave is gonna pull up right now and get this thing fully detailed. That's step number one, bro, of this whole build series, is just to clean it. We're gonna clean the engine bay, we're gonna clean the wheels, the freaking fake BBSs. We're gonna clean the interior because this thing's dusty. And we're just gonna try to make it look new again if we can, as new as we can. Also, I don't know if you guys remember, but it has a Valtronic exhaust on it. And I've always said this, but the E92 M3 is the best sounding BMW in my opinion, bro. Dude, I also just saw all this hair. I don't know if this is from my cat or the previous owner. I think they had a dog, because look at this. I think she had a husky. That's why there's a bunch of dog hair everywhere. Could be from my cat, I don't know. Like how old is this exhaust and it sounds that good? That's one thing I can say. This car sounds healthy. I know the outside doesn't look the best, but the car itself drives really good. After this car wash, it should look a lot better. Also look, these things still work, which is a flex. If you guys know, you know, but most E92 owners, none of the cup holders work. This is the coolest thing. There's a lot of things about this car that brings me back, like to the old memories. Like I keep noticing little things and it brings me all the way back to that exact memory. I remember when this cup holder broke. You guys see this? There's no cup holder right here. I remember exactly when this happened, bro. I had my homie that was sitting here at the time. He hopped out the car and his knee hit this and broke it. I remember I was so mad, but he was a homie, so I couldn't get that mad. But it's just so crazy because I have so many memories with this car. It's insane, dude. Dude, I can't wait to wash it. And I can't wait to get rid of this wrap. Also, you guys gotta help me. I'm gonna say it right now. What color do we wrap the E92? Do we wrap it mint green again? Do we rewrap it the same exact color, bring it back to life? Or should we do a whole completely different look? You guys tell me. I know it's only right to do this wrap all over again, make it look brand new again, but you guys tell me. If you guys want to see it this color, we'll do it. I was also thinking red too, because I've had this car wrapped red at one point and the red looks so good on it. But I'm gonna leave it up to you guys because I want to build this car together. So comment down below right now, what color should we wrap the E92? Also wheels. Wheels are the biggest thing because these wheels, they're not real BBSs. I think they're fake. If anyone wants them, let me know. I'm not judging and I won't tell nobody. But if anyone wants these, shoot me an offer and I'll sell them to you. The only thing is I feel like they're rubbing on the bags on the inside because they're not the correct offset. Realistically, I want to get rid of the wheels, add some new ones, and then we actually drive the car, because right now it's not really drivable because it's hitting the air suspension on the inside. So first and foremost, I gotta get some wheels. Now what wheels do we do? I don't know. I kind of want to do TEs, but I feel like a lot of you guys are gonna be like, TEs again, Nick? On the Corvette, on the F80, on my last F80, on the GTR, and now the E92? I gotta stop doing TEs. They just look so good on every car, bro. Especially E92s, they look really good. So some of the questions that I saw in the comments were asking, do the bags still work? Yes, they still work. How long will they keep working? I don't know. I think they're like 7 or 8 years old. So look, the bags definitely work. And it looks crazy slammed. It's literally like on the frame, bro. Look at that. It does look pretty cool. I can't lie. I haven't had a bag car since this. This is my only car that was on bags. That's another thing. Should we keep the bags or should we go a coilover route? I always said when I get another E92, I want to make it a track build. I already did this stance bag setup. Now I want to do like a coilover proper track setup. You guys tell me. I think that's a good idea. Take off the bags, do some coilovers this time. But yes, the bags do work. I remember it used to look super funny when it was aired up. Which one was it again? I don't even remember. I think it was this one. Look at this. Oh, it's still going. Look at that. It's a freaking monster truck. One thing I can say though, it definitely helps when you have a front lip on the car because you will never scrape it. Another question everyone kept asking is, did I really get it for 30K? No, bro. I'm not that dumb. Even though I really did want the car, but I would not pay 30. It definitely needs a lot of work. So I'm not gonna tell you exactly how much I got it for, but I think I got a pretty good price. Could have paid a little bit less, but it's all good. I really wanted this car. I mean, the fact that it's my old car, I could have went out and bought another E92 that wasn't clapped out and it didn't need that much work and it was in like mint condition, but it doesn't hit the same as my old car, you know? Like, it's like a once in a lifetime opportunity and I know I could bring it back. Another question, someone said, has the rod bearings been done? Yes, I did the rod bearings, but I was at about 70K miles, I think. We're at 151,000 miles. So that was definitely a long time ago. It could probably use rod bearings again. So maybe we'll do it again, we'll see. Doing rod bearings twice is crazy. You ready, boss? Is that Hugo? Yeah. Can you bring this back to life?
You think I look like Cosmo Wanda?
I look like Cosmo Wanda. Look like you could do magic?
Bro, that car is done.
Done?
The engine bay.
It's not that dirty.
It's pretty bad, bro.
It's just dusty.
You go look at this.
Oh my.
Bro, there's leaking oil, bro.
All the oil is leaking.
Yeah, I gotta take it to a shop. We gotta do an oil change and check, make sure everything else is good.
That's just probably gonna be like the cap and the valve cover gasket.
Is that a lot?
Definitely leaking oil, huh, guys? I think you can even see it under there. And this thing's loose. David said the car's so dirty, he feels like he's gonna get Ebola. They got diseases on it, huh? Can you fix my headlights? There's no way. It does have one. It was in the back seat, but I think all the tabs are broken, so it doesn't even stay on. But I'll try and cover it so that the water won't mess up the wires. Car's clapped.
Look at the wheel. It looks way better.
It does look better. Like the color's coming back. Dude, it really doesn't need much. A new wrap, new headlights, a lip. Plus you're gonna look brand new. No, the engine bay's gonna look like it has no miles. You guys see this little spot right here on the roof? That was from me. Another funny story, bro. I'm telling you, there's so many little things on this car that I could look back at and remember, but those little 3 dots on the roof, they look like real BBS. You guys remember I used to have the bike rack on the roof, the BMX bike. That was like the good old days. But one day when I had the bike on top of the roof, I went into my garage to park the car and I forgot the bike was on the roof. So the bike hit the top of the garage and ended up falling, and that's what messed up. Bike like forks, I think went straight into the carbon. So that's what this is from the BMX bike. Now the car came back to me and I gotta fix it. Honestly, now this car is worth 30K, bro. Look at this. I don't know how David did it, but I swear, just looking at the engine bay, you would think this car got like 20,000 miles, bro. Not 150. Looks hella clean. The wheels look freaking spotless. David said it literally looks like real BBS's now. The interior is hella clean. Who knows the last time this car's been detailed, because it is so clean now. Like, it did not look like this. You guys remember? All this was all nasty in here. Look, it's brand new. It's crazy what a detail could do, bro. Like, it's literally mint. David even cleaned in here. This dude did everything. Well, you did too much, David. I know, we've been here for a while, but I didn't think he was gonna go that in depth. But dude, it's literally spotless. You cleaned every little crevice that you could. See, I could see the vision. I know you guys could too. This car's gonna be so clean when it's done.
Carbon, some wheels.
Some carbon, some wheels, bro. That's it. Interior already looks so much better. Like now I want to drive it.
Yeah, but the interior looks fucking so much better, bro.
It was gross, huh?
Yeah. You guys know when your leather's dirty when it's super shiny, but look at it. It's supposed to look like you know, matte. This is all shiny, sticky and stuff, you know, but
Bro, the interior looks crazy. This looks fire. I feel like the color came back too.
think about it, 6-year wrap and it's still held up.
I know. That is kind of crazy that the wrap's still
Bro,
in like good condition.
It's not even peeling or anything.
Yeah, it's not peeling, nothing. The wheels look so good though. They actually look nice.
How they do, huh?
Hell yeah.
They had like maybe like a better cap, they'll look real.
You think so? Yeah. Just get a new one of these? I was like embarrassed to drive it, dude. I'm not even gonna lie.
Yeah?
I swear. Like I was driving with the windows up because I don't want no one to see me. Because it's just embarrassing, bro. But now it looks decent. Check this out. We lined up all of my cars, which was a hassle, dude. I'm sweating, but look how crazy this is. We got the R8, the G80, the Corvette, the F80, and the E92. Now that I can finally show you guys the E92, and how cool is that? I still got the same jet tag from back then. Crazy, bro. Seeing all the cars here in a row is just the craziest feeling ever, dude. Like, it's insane. I was telling Josephine, like, without that car, none of this would be possible, bro. It all started from the E92. All you guys watching the E92 videos, that's what started the whole YouTube channel, bro. So it's just crazy to know that, like, I finally got it back and full circle. Like, look at now. Like, look what it's built, bro. Look what we built. It's crazy. Off of this freaking thing. This E92.
He loves doing that.
We're gonna bring it back to life. Oh, yeah, I can't wait to start modding that thing. It's gonna be so much fun. I already have some mods on the way. Yeah, we wanna take a little bit of TikTok real quick. Some motivational stuff, because this is definitely motivation. If you guys don't find motivation in this, I don't know what to tell you, bro, but this is crazy. Like, guys, you saw it from the start. There's no money glitch over here. It's literally just hard work, guys. You guys saw from the beginning, all the vlogs I made with this car, all the people I met with this car, the connection, everything, bro. Started from that freaking car and all the content I made with it. What built up to all of this? Like, all the hard work, all the dedication, all the late nights, bro, editing all night, not sleeping, having no life.
Yeah.
Josephine's like, you have no life. I know, bro. My whole life is just content, but it's what I love to do. I like to give you guys entertaining videos too, and I want to motivate you guys, bro. Like, this is literally a dream come true for me, and I want all you guys to experience this too, bro. You guys could do it too, I promise. Just hard work and dedication, bro. There's nothing different between me and you guys. Nothing. I just started making videos for fun, and I just became really consistent, and I worked really hard, and look what it turned into. Anyone could do it, bro, I promise. I can't believe I have all these cars.
The one headlight working?
Yeah, that shit is classic. I haven't even showed Josephine. I haven't showed you anything?
No, but I'm so excited to like see what you do to it, because I just know you're gonna make it like literally brand new.
No, it's gonna be perfect.
Yeah, Nick has like the special touch.
I have to, but look at this.
The Nick touch. Yeah.
The whole bumper's coming off.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, the
blown
wrap
out.
looks like it has.
I went to World War III.
Yeah, it looks like it's one with the car, and not in a good way.
This is missing.
Oh yeah.
Don't know where that's at. The wrap is cooked. You guys saw from the first video, it's all bad, bro. The roof is done.
Crazy, but this is actually so cool. This is finally like a project car.
Yeah, this
all
is
your
for
other
sure
cars
car.
is like you just making them look better. Like this, okay, guys. This is actually a little crazy.
It's sad, guys. Like, this is my first car, and I babied this thing. I mean, I drove it every day. It was my daily driver. I did beat on it a little bit, but this thing's a trooper. To be still standing and running healthy, engine's good, transmission's good. It's just cosmetic stuff that we gotta fix. But it is sad seeing my car like this, because at one point, dude, I was my baby, you know, like under the cover in the garage. Now look at it. What the heck happened? Same with my E36. I sold my E36. It was perfect. I should have never sold it. I don't know why I sold it. But after going through like 6 different owners, I think it went to like 6 different owners. The E36 is clapped now, and hopefully this guy that has it now fixes it and brings it back.
Oh my god! Lift your arms up.
Am I sweating?
Sweating.
Oh yeah, it's hot now. Sorry. Anyways, thank you guys. Without you guys, none of this would be possible. Without you guys just watching these videos, copying the merch, especially, bro. Thank you to everyone who cops the merch. That's the biggest way to support the channel and all of this stuff. So thank you guys so much. And even if it's just as little as liking a video or liking an Instagram post, bro, that shit goes a long way. So thank you guys. I appreciate it. This is crazy, bro. There's no way I got this many cars. There's no need for this many cars. I can't even drive them all. I don't even drive the freaking F80. It's so sad, dude. But it is cool. I have a really freaking crazy collection. And it's crazy to like be able to say I could do this, huh? Or that I've done this. Like, I know I'll be able to look back and be like, damn, dude. Look how many cars I had at one point. We gotta replace these with our SVJ, Huracan, STO.
Typical Nick.
We gotta upgrade all of them. Nah, but this is crazy. Sometimes I do gotta just.
Yeah, let me
Appreciate
show
what
from
I
like
got.
a distance because we're up so close right now nobody can see. Look at that. He's awkward.
It's insane.
Okay,
Anyways.
this sounds overheating.
Yeah. Alright. Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.